What's up everybody, Colin here for SammyGuru, and today I'm going to show you how to view detailed battery health information and statistics for your Galaxy S25 series smartphone. Now, in some regions, you can do this by default on your Samsung Galaxy device just by going to About Phone and going to your battery information. But here in the US where I live, you can't see this information by default in the settings. It only shows your battery status, whether it's charging or not charging, your battery level, and your battery capacity, which is 5,000 milliamp hours, which is just the typical rated capacity when this phone was new. But with this app called aBattery right here, we can actually see a bunch of new information, such as the battery type, health, temperature, and you can switch that between Fahrenheit and Celsius just by tapping on it, as well as battery voltage, maximum capacity, cycle count, the manufacturing date, and the first use date. So all this is appears to be very accurate. 11/30 of 2025 is when I did purchase this device. When I got this device and started using it, rather. Manufacturing date I'm going to have to assume is correct because everything else is correct. The cycle count, I have 21 charge cycles on this phone, and the maximum battery capacity is still 100%. Now, to enable everything from here down, you do need to use an app called Shizuku, and that allows the app to access that information. So from time to time, this app will stop running, and we can see if we go back into aBattery, it will now say System App Permission Required. When it says that, if you tap it, you can open this app from there. You do need to download this from the Play Store. You will have to pair it, and all you need to do that is go to pairing. You do have to have your developer options enabled and turn on wireless debugging. Allow it to be connected on your current Wi-Fi network. You will need to be on Wi-Fi to pair this via the wireless debugging option. If you have a rooted device, you can also do it that way. You can't root a Samsung Galaxy device in the US, so these are not rootable devices. So this is the only way to do this on the phone itself without having to use a computer. But as you can see, I already have this app paired. If it was not paired, you would just hit pair device with pairing code, and the app would pop down in a notification window and allow you to enter the pairing code right here that comes up. And then all you have to do is hop back into the app and hit start. And as you can see, it says service started. This window will automatically close in 5 seconds or 3 seconds. If this is your first time using it, you do need to enable aBattery in the application management section to authorize it. Now, sometimes when you close this app, it likes to stop. As you can see up here, it says it is running. We'll hop back into aBattery and tap right here. And I've had this issue a couple times where I had to do this like 3 or 4 times to actually get it to work. But you should tap right here. There we go. It worked the second time that time, and everything refreshed. So you will have to do that time to time to get this information to pop up, but it's not like you need to view this information constantly. So if you just want to check on your maximum capacity, your cycles, stuff like that, obviously the manufacturing date and first use date aren't going to change. So if you just want to check your cycle count and your maximum capacity every once in a while, this app is a way to do that. And all you need is aBattery and the Shizuku app right here, again, which you can find in the Play Store. And as you can see, it's still running right now. I don't know why it keeps stopping from time to time, but it does happen. You can also start it by using ADB on a computer with a command right here. Or like I said, if you have a root device, you can start it automatically on boot with root access. But unfortunately, like I said, can't root my device because this is a US model and it does not allow for that. Before we go, I just want to make you guys aware that the S26 mystery box program has started. So if you go to SammyGuru.com, you can tap the banner at the top, which will take you to our page with all the information about it. And the S26 Ultra right here, our pre-order window didn't come up, but if we tap again, you can enter your phone number or your email, and you'll get notified when pre-orders go live. We'll send you out a link to pre-order the phone via our link, and all you have to do is confirm your pre-order on the new SammyGuru Rewards portal, which will go live shortly, or you can do it via our Google form, and we will ship out a mystery box to you free of charge. And at the bottom down here, you can see some of the frequently asked questions, and one of them is what is guaranteed in every mystery box. You get a phone case, a screen protector, a desktop phone stand, cleaning kit, 65-watt charger, USB-C wired earbuds, and each box is also customized to match your S26 device. So whether you order the regular, the Plus, or the Ultra, you'll get a case and accessories to match that device. We will also be inserting some randomly assorted goodies as well, such as gift cards and some other random goodies. So make sure you don't miss out on that if you do plan on getting a Galaxy S26 series device. Just pre-order using our link. You can go ahead and put in your information now so you get that link as soon as pre-orders go live after Unpacked. I'm Colin with SammyGuru. Thanks for watching.